Hola, gente de YouTube. Quiero hacer mi primer vlog mostrando mi cuenta de Free Fire. De esto se va a tratar mi canal. Entonces quiero que les guste y espero que les guste el video. Así que vamos a lo que vinimos. Primero que todo, mis personajes.
In the merry-go-round, even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, 'cause I merry-go-round. Though I'm on my own, I'll always be a child at the bone, in the merry-go-round. Even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, 'cause I merry-go-round. Even though I'm on my own, I'll always be a child at the bone. See, when I was a kid, I'd be staring at PBS or playing tag at recess. Really no need to de-stress, can get whatever I want with just a simple request. Play in the park with no rest and come home feeling refreshed. Life is a gift and I saw it as a blessing. Whenever I went wrong, we move on and learn a lesson. I never felt the need to take a hit to blow the resin, but now the feeling's gone as if God was just messing. And things have changed now that I'm 17. I start to realize that people aren't evergreen. Start to question how and why we disagree and why we're so mean. I wonder why so few people have had a dream, and I'm wishing that it would just all slow down. I'm just trying to forget all that I know now. That's why I breathe in slow and let the smoke blow out. So pass it to the left until that green goes in the merry-go-round. Even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, 'cause I merry-go-round. Though I'm on my own, I'll always be a child at the bone, and I merry-go-round. Even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, 'cause I merry-go-round. Even though I'm on my own, I'll always be a child at the bone.
A mí me robaron una cuenta que se llamaba Destrucción.
La 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 la.
Miren las armas. No tengo
I throw it back a couple years just for a minute. Spin it like a record player back until the finish. Listen to me tell it, let me reminisce. See, it was 4th grade when I first exceeded limits. Ooh, I got suspended. Shouts to Chancellor Bennett. Teachers acting offended, really they just pretending. My parents on my ass saying to pick who I'm friends with. Sit with it repentant, man, I never understood. How could all this punishment possibly lead to good? Fuck a time out, I'ma live it how I should. I dipped out while I hit my head under my hood, hoping nobody could see me. Peace in Hollywood, and it's been like a dream. I just haven't woke up. It's time to grow up, hopefully before I blow up. You know what?